Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to draw a face. So let's start with the head part. Firstly we will draw the hairs. We will divide the hairs in two parts, into sides. Firstly we will draw the left side of the hairs. Then the right side. Then the inner side of the hairs. Same at the other side. Draw some inner hairs. Draw the Then we will move towards the other side. Second ear. Now we are working on the eyebrows and the eyes of the girl. This is the first eyebrow. Now we will draw the second eyebrow. Now draw the eye. Inner side of the eye. You can also fill the eyebrows and the inner sides of the eye. That would look more better. Now the second eye. Same as we draw first eye. Now we will draw the nose. Now move towards the lips. Now we will draw the chin and the whole face like that, and we are almost done. Now just we have to draw the neck and some dress part. Like that. Now we will draw two curved lines like that. So that's it guys. I hope you will draw better than me. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.